Okay, this is question number 6. Now see, calculate operating leverage and financial leverage under situation 1 and 2 with financial plans A and B respectively. From the following information relating to operations and capital structure of company, what are the combinations of operating and financial leverage uh, which give you highest and least value? So what is the information available? Installed capacity is 2000, but actual production and sales is 50 percentage of installed capacity, means 1000. So you have to consider 1000 units, not 2000, because 2000 is installed capacity, but we need to see actual one. So what is actual production and sales? How much is actual production and sales?
50%.
Yes, so 50 percentage has to be considered, not 2000. Selling per price per unit is 20 rupees, variable cost per unit is 10. Now look at this point very carefully. Fixed cost under situation 1 is 4000, under situation 2 is 5000. Capital structure is given: equity for financial plan A and B, debt for financial plan A and B. Now if you see, if you look at this debt, debt means borrowed funds. Bracket cost of debt. Cost of debt means you have already learned that chapter, no? Cost of capital. COC, cost of capital. Do you remember? Cost of capital. Do you remember? So in that we always calculate the interest part of the debt.
कितनी तारीख है 8 9
Yes, mute everybody. Richa, beta mute. Thank you. Cost of debt is 10 percentage. That means interest on debt. Interest on debt, cost of debt means interest on debt is 10 percentage. So in financial plan A, debt is 15,000, and in financial plan B, debt is 5,000. So 15,000 into 10 percentage, you will get interest on borrowed funds. And 5,000 into 10 percentage, you will get interest on borrowed funds for plan B. Are you getting my point? It is just
Yes,
bifurcation of situation and the financial plans. So how we need to do it? सबसे पहले, first of all, we need to start our solution part with this working note. Okay, working note maybe later on, but first we need to draw the lines, income statement. So how lines has to be drawn? See, first column particulars column, next second column situation 1 column, and next third column will be situation 2. So total 3 columns. Please mind there are total 3 columns: particulars, situation 1 and situation 2. But under situation 1 we have two financial plans, financial plan A and financial plan B. Again, in situation 2 we have two plans, financial plan A and financial plan B. Then we have financial plan A and B of situation 1. It is 1000 units produced and sold. And same situation 2, if we have financial plan A and B of situation 2, it is 1000 units produced and sold. 1000 comes from this working note. Can you see this working note clearly? Actual production and sales, it is given, no? Very simple. Actual production and sales is 50 percentage of installed capacity. So installed capacity is 2000. That means 50% of 2000 is 1000. Isn't it? Yes or no? Did you get this? Did you get this working
Yes,
note?
ma'am.
Yeah. So 1000 overall, 1000 for all, whether financial plan A and B of situation 1, or it will be, or let it be financial plan A and B of situation 2. All, everywhere you will write 1000 units. Again, for financial plan A, there are two columns, per unit and amount. Again, for financial plan B, per unit and amount. For financial plan A, for situation 2, per unit and amount. For situation 2, financial plan B, per unit and amount. How we need to solve? See, it is very, very, very simple. First of all, we always start with selling price, sales. What is selling price per unit? 20. What is variable cost? 10 per unit. So per unit you will write 20, 20, 20 everywhere. Can you see 20, 20 per unit, 20 per unit, 20 per unit in all the 4 columns? Because it is given commonly, therefore we have to assume that it belongs to every plan and situation. How will you multiply 20 into 10,000, 1,000? You will get 20,000. So 20,000 here, 20,000 here, and all over. Are you getting my point? Sales is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because all over 1,000 units are same and all over 20 per unit is same. So answer 20,000 will also be same naturally. Now let's start with variable cost. Sales less variable cost. Variable cost per unit is 10. Just now we saw in the question. So 10 into 1,000 becomes 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000. Everywhere 10,000. Why? Because 10 per unit is common for all. Same for all. And you will get now contribution. After contribution, fixed cost has to be deducted now. Now you have to check. Very simple. See, everything is given. You just have to think and write. Fixed cost under situation 1 is how much? Fixed cost under
4,000.
very good, very good. Situation 1, fixed cost 4,000. So look here in the table. Look here in the table. Wait, just let me come down to the question. Yeah. Look at this table. Situation 1, 4,000 and situation 2, 5,000. Very simple. It is given already. You just have to think. This is situation 1. We have 2 plans, A and B. But he is not talking about plans. He is talking about situation. So look at the situation 1 and put fixed cost in situation 1, 4,000. Whether it is plan A, whether it is plan B, you have to keep the fixed cost in situation 1, 4,000 rupees. So see in the solution part, less fixed cost. Situation 1 plan A 4,000. Situation 1 plan B 4,000. So whether it is plan A or plan B, it belongs to situation 1, no? And he says in the question that situation 1 fixed cost 4,000. And under situation 2, how much is the fixed cost? How much is the fixed cost for situation 2?
5,000.
Very good. So whether it is plan A or B, but it belongs to situation 2. So keep it 5,000 for both of them. Can you see fixed cost 5,000, fixed cost 5,000 in both the plans? Because both the plans belongs to,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, both the plans belong to situation 2. Therefore 5,000. So situation 1, 4,000, situation 2, 5,000. Now contribution minus fixed cost, you will get EBIT. 10 minus 4 is 6, 10 minus 4 is 6, 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. All the four cases we have got EBIT. Now interest. Now you have to be very careful. More careful than the point of the fixed cost. See, now debt. Interest means debt. Always remember, interest means debt. Now first, he is not talking about situation. Now he is talking about financial plans. Financial plan A, debt will be 15,000. Interest on debt will be 10%. So now you have to make a working note. For fixed cost, there is no such need of making working note because it is already given. But yes, for interest, you will have to make it. Now, how will you make it? I think it is not given in the question. No, it is not given, right? Okay, no problem. I will tell you here how to make that. See, it's very simple. Now, this is sum number 6th, no? Okay. So, you will make a working note. Now, this working note will be 2 because first working note will be this one. First working note will be this one, installed capacities into 50%. So 2000 into 50% is 1000. This will be your first working note under the table. But now we will make second working note related to interest on debt for financial plan A. A. How much is the debt in financial plan A? 15,000 into 10 percentage. So here you will write 15,000 into 10 percentage. So what will be the answer? 1,000.
1,500.
Similarly,
1,500.
yes, very good, very good. Similarly, we have to calculate this for financial plan B. So this will be B. What is the debt of financial plan B? What is the debt of
5,000.
5,000 into 10 percentage? So here instead of 15, it will be 5,000 into 10 percentage. That means 500.
500.
Is it clear now? These both answers are very important, 1500 and 500. So this will be your working note number 2. Now, come to the statement. In statement, remember financial plan A, answer is 1500. Financial plan B, answer is 500. So wherever you see financial plan A, it will be interest 1500 only. Financial plan B, 500. For situation 1, now come to situation 2. Again financial plan A, 1500. Financial plan B, 500. See, he is not asking you about situation. He is asking you about financial plans. So you need to focus at plan and give the answer. If he is asking you about situation, you need to focus on situation and answer accordingly. Am I clear with the concept? Yes or no? Financial plan A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, financial plan A, answer is 1500. Financial plan B, answer is 500. What answer? Interest. Interest on borrowed funds. So EBIT less interest. Interest for financial plan A, 1500 for situation 1. Also for situation 2, financial plan A, it is 1500 only. Both 1500 because both are financial plans A. Now come to financial plan B of situation 1, it is 500, and also for situation 2, plan B, it is 500. Because he says it is financial plan B 500. Therefore, everywhere, wherever B falls, wherever plan B falls, you will write 500 rupees. Now this was interest. EBIT, interest has to be deducted from EBIT. You will get earnings before tax. So what is your earning before tax? Accordingly, you have to calculate, isn't it? Okay. So EBIT, you have got the EBIT. EBIT less interest, you will get EBT. Accordingly, you will calculate. EBT minus interest, whatever amount will be there, it will be known as EBT. EBT is earnings before tax. And now because you have reached up to earnings before tax, now you can calculate all the formulas of leverages. That is DOL, DFL, DCL. In the table only, do in the table because it will be easy. Now you have to calculate 4 times. DOL 4 times for financial plan A and B situation 1 and for financial plan A and B for situation 2. So 4 times DOL, 4 times DFL and 4 times DCL. So in the table, it will be easy for you because one time formula has to be written. If you are doing it in the table, outside the table, again and again, you have to keep writing formula. It will be wastage of time. Isn't it? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
everybody? Yeah. The formulas of DOL. Tell me, come on. The formula of DOL is contribution upon.
EBIT.
So pick up the contribution of each of them. See, contribution is 10,000 in plan A. EBIT 6,000 to 10 by 6. Here 10 by 6. Here 10 by 5. Here 10 by 5. Means 10,000 by 5,000. Similarly, you have to do for DFL. What is the formula of DFL? EBIT upon EBT. So what is EBIT here? 6,000. What is EBT? 4.5. That means 4,500. Here it is 6,000 divided by 5,500. Here it is 5,000 divided by 3,500. And here it is 5,000 divided by 4,500. And you will calculate the answers here only in the table, just as they have done it. Look at the screen, you will be able to understand them. Anyways, we have done this type of question, but it was not situation 1 and 2. Yes, but it was different companies, like company A, company B, company C. Yesterday only we had done, remember? I hope you all remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so come on, quickly note down the solution part. Also, please, you have to make the working note. So don't forget to make the working notes. For fixed cost, no working note is required because clearly it is given under situation 1 and 2, it is 4 and 5. But for interest on debt and for actual production capacity, you need to calculate, you need to have a different working note. So working note number 1, this one, and working note number 2, this way. Okay, come on, do it. First of all, you make this table, and after you complete this table, you need to make working notes. Okay, do it. I'm giving you 5 minutes to note down.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, note down हो गया सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आंसर्स मैच हो रहे हैं? देखो DOL 1.66, 1.66, 2 and 2 मैच हुए DOL के सारे आंसर्स. मैच हो रहे हैं. शुभम, अनु, कम ऑन आंसर मी.
Yes, ma'am.
And DFL 1.33, 1.09, 1.42, 1.11. These are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
DCL, all the answers are correct. 2.22, 1.81, 2.85, 2.22. Same answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same question we
Yes,
have here.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same another question. See, calculate the operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage from the following data under situation 1 and 2 for plans A and B. Financial plans A and B. Installed capacity is 4,000 units. Installed capacity is 4,000, but actual production and sales is 75% of installed capacity. Selling price per unit is 30. Variable cost is 15 per unit. Under situation 1, fixed cost is 15,000, and under situation 2, fixed cost is 20,000. Capital structure, we have two capital structures, financial plan A and B. Equity is 15,000, and debt is 10,000 in first case, 5,000 in next case. And the rate of interest on debt is 20%. Okay, so here is the solution part. See, same columns, 3 particulars, situation 1 and 2. Again, plan A and B for situation 1, divided with per unit and amount column of each of them. Again, plan A and B for situation 2. Each of them will be divided with per unit and amount column. Okay, now here, how many number of units are produced and sold? You will be able to calculate with the help of this formula. With the information given here. Installed capacity is 4,000. Actual production is 75% of installed capacity. So working note number 1, actual production and sales is 75% of installed capacity. So 75% of 4,000, because installed capacity is how much? How much is your installed capacity? Come on, tell me, how much is your installed capacity?
Ma'am, 4,000.
So 4,000 into 75% is how much?
3,000.
So again, now 3,000 you will write here. 3,000 units, 3,000 units. Here, situation 2 also 3,000 units. Similarly, you have to do it for, you will have to start your format. Sales 30 per unit and variable cost 15 per unit. So what you will do, you will write 30 per unit all over, for each of them. Situation 1 plan A and B. For situation 2 plan A and B, 30 per unit is same. Variable cost 15 per unit is same. So answers will be same, of course, because per unit and number of units all over are same. So 30 into 3000, 90,000 will be sales all over same. 15 into 3000 variable cost will be 45,000 same. So 90 minus 45, you will get contribution same for everything. For every plan and situation, it will be same. Fixed cost will be different. How much is the fixed cost under situation 1?
Ma'am, 15,000.
And for situation 2?
20,000.
20,000.
20,000.
Yes. So what will you do? You will have to focus on situation 1 and 2. Whether it is plan A and B, it will be situation 1. So focus on situation. It is situation 1. Fixed cost is 15,000, 15,000. 15,000 for financial plan A and 15,000 for financial plan B. Now come to situation 2. Whether it is financial plan A or B, it will be 20,000 for both of them. So fixed cost will be 2020 for situation 2, and for situation 1, 15, 15. Contribution minus fixed cost, you will get EBIT. Searching EBIT is not difficult part because it is just deduction of fixed cost from contribution. Now less interest. You will have to make a working note. Same like this. Same like this. So now tell me what is the debt of financial plan A? What is the debt of financial plan A?
10,000.
10,000.
So very, yeah, same working note, huh? Same. So here you will write, wait, here you will write 10,000 in financial plan A. And what is the rate of interest on borrowed funds on debt?
20%.
So 10,000 into 20 percentage. 10,000 into 20
It will
percentage.
be 2,000.
It will be 2,000. Very good. It will be 2,000. And what about debt of financial plan B? How much is it? Debt of financial plan B?
5,000.
Very good. So here you will write 5,000 into 20 percentage. So how much it would be? It would be, I think, 1,000, no?
1,000.
Yes. So now you have to
Yes, ma'am.
focus on, yes. Now you have to focus on, just a minute. Now you have to focus on financial plans, not on what to say, situation. So wherever it is financial plan A, it will be 2,000. Wherever it is financial